Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and I have got Toyl, Time of Your Life. If you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you some information about the subscription, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They've also given me a code to share with you, which is GEEK, and that will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. The cost of the box is £35 and it usually has a value of over £100. Since it was released, I don't think it has had a box lower than £100. The reason it's called Toyl, Time of Your Life, is because it's specifically for women of midlife. As we age, our skin changes, our hair changes, our whole outlook on life can change. So having a subscription dedicated to women of say 35 and above, that talks about all these changes and issues in relationships, work, etc. through podcasts, interviews and on their social media channels, but also providing beauty products specifically chosen for us in mind. From an award-winning beauty blogger and an Amazon best-selling author of Time of Your Life, Karen. This box is available only in the UK. Every month they release a spoiler around the 18th of the month. And they do this on Facebook and I believe Instagram as well. So you get to see what the following month's box would be like. So say if you are a regular subscriber and then come the 18th of the month, you see the spoiler for the following month and you think, oh, do you know what? No, it's not for me that month, or I've got enough of certain product or something, whatever your reason, you are able to pause it, which is brilliant. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away, but you'll find all links to the subscription plus the discount code and links to the website down below in my description. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. I've already seen a sneak peek of this and it is great. It is great. So inside you've got a booklet and it details everything about the products inside the box. You're not going to be able to see much there because it's all packaged really neatly with foam bits, but I'll go through it in a minute. Okay, so what can I tell you about your March box then? This is the caring box. Caring for you, caring for others, and it's worth £117 this month. It says here, as seen in Woman and Home. Woman and Home magazine. See there? Ooh, there. And there's also a free Emma Hardy Moringa mask for you to give to a friend in the box as well. We are proud to announce that the Toyl March 2022 box supports Safe Lives, a charity committed to ending domestic abuse for all. There's more information about the box here, but let's start then with a whopper of a cleanser. This is 100 grams Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, Super Cleansing Treatment Balm. This is beautiful. I've got a few of these lying around. I apply it to my face dry and then I just massage it all in and it just feels so nice. It smells gorgeous as well. So inside you've got a muslin cloth here. So not a muslin cloth, but a nice face cloth there. And here it is. It's really, really nice size. Look. Oh, the smell. Stock up on some like wooden spatulas or even lollipop sticks. They come in handy for gouging out a little bit of balm. Oh, I love it. I love it. It leaves my skin feeling super clean, but also nice and soft as well. The recommended retail price for this cleanser is £44. Look at this fabulous, luscious, rich cleanser. This is their #1 bestseller for you to try. This product has 3 different textures. It nourishes as a balm, easily removes makeup as a cleansing oil, and hydrates as a cleansing milk. In short, this is a great product that becomes more liquid as you remove it. Try it. Cleansing will never be the same again. Karen's top tip. I would use this product as a second cleanser in a double cleanse system. Yeah, I do as well. It is a super cleansing treatment balm packed with moisture and is also a treatment, so I'd use this on skin that has had makeup removed first for maximum effect. Yeah, love that. Okay, what have we got next then? What is here? Woo! This is by StriVectin Tightening Neck Cream Plus with Gravity CF Lifting Complex, visibly tightens and firms the neck, corrects the look of uneven tone and texture on the décolleté. There's 30 mils there. Right, before I get it out, I'll just read a little bit more about it. This retails for £49. This is the #1 selling cream exclusively for the neck and décolleté. Just got upgraded. This powerful cream features the breakthrough Gravitite CF lifting complex to improve skin elasticity and provide a visible lift, while smoothing the appearance of horizontal necklines and sagging. So it visibly tightens, it lifts and firms, it smooths the appearance of lines and wrinkles and targets that crepey texture, strengthens the skin barrier to prevent moisture loss and diminishes the look of discoloration. And Karen's top tip, the skin on your neck is different to the skin on your face. The neck has less fatty tissue, collagen and fewer oil glands, which is why the skin can appear slack, loose, dry and crepey. Only a neck cream can give this delicate skin what it needs to be at its best. Looks like there. Oh, it's really thick. It's really thick. Well, it looks it. Oh, what did I just drop? What did I just? Oh, it's the lid. It looks really thick. Oh, I can't do it. No, I can't put it on now, but I'll put it on my hand. Oh my word! It's just. Oh, it's like. Oh, a really thick cream. Oh, that is lovely. Like a really gorgeous, luxurious body butter. Oh, does it smell? No. No, got a very subtle smell. Nothing I can pinpoint. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. That feels so nice. Wow, it feels really, really lovely. I'm gonna have to put that on my bedside table because I struggle to do like from here downwards. I do my face day and night and my neck, but down here I just tend to, unless I'm using body lotion, I think I just massage whatever I've got my face down, but then not low down then. So I need to get into it. And I have got products for the neck, but I just need to get into the routine of doing it. But I really like that. It feels really thick and creamy. So there's that. Next up, we've got Dissolving Microneedle Eye Patches by Skyn Iceland. No pain, no gain. Solutions for stressed skin. There's one pair here. You wear it to bed and you wake up glowing. With hyaluronic acid and peptides. I've heard of microneedling, but I've never heard of patches. Okay, it does tell you how to use them on the back. These patches retail for £14. These pioneering press-on treatment patches featuring advanced bioactive dissolving microneedles that melt down into skin surface layer to help hydrate, firm and smooth the appearance of fine lines around the delicate eye area. The teeny tiny, as in skinnier than a strand of hair, tiny, spikes are prickly but gentle, and in case you're wondering, do not hurt one bit. Upon application, skin feels a slight tickle. That's how you know it's working, while the microneedles slowly dissolve into pores to help tighten and tone crepey areas while smoothing the appearance of wrinkles at their source. That is crazy, isn't it? That is crazy. I don't want to open them up because I don't want them to dry out. But yeah, have any of you tried anything like this before? Or tried this product before? I'd love to hear what you think of it. Lastly, we've got an Emma Hardy treatment mask for ourselves, and we've got another one that we can gift to a friend. So they're both the same, Moringa Renewal treatment masks, 15 mils each. Improves radiance and luminosity, improves hydration, moisture levels and firmness, helps to reduce pigmentation. So there's two there. So these masks are worth £10 each. It says, now there is a suggestion on the back page as to how to use the second mask for Safe Lives, the charity, but you can also just gift it to one of your lovely friends. This award-winning, rich, intense, hydrating face masks help improve skin moisture, radiance, firmness, and also to smooth out deep wrinkles. It contains hyaluronic acid that firms, conditions, and moisturizes the skin, and moringa, aloe vera seed oil to leave the skin feeling more vibrant, plump, and radiant. It also contains red algae, which reduces the appearance of pigmentation spots and leaves the skin more luminous. This mask can be kept in the fridge for a fabulous cooling sensation on use. The cold helps reduce puffiness, and you can also leave it on overnight for an extra skin treat as well. So we've got two masks there, and those are all the products inside this month's Toyl box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, We've got a Skyn Iceland dissolving microneedle eye patches. We've got a StriVectin tightening neck cream. And lastly, we've got 2 Emma Hardy Moringa Renewal masks. Cost of the box is £35 and that includes shipping, and this month has a value of £117. I absolutely love the fact that we've got an Elemis product in there. I always get excited, especially a nice big size cleansing balm. The StriVectin cream feels amazing. It feels absolutely gorgeous on my skin and it's really nice and thick and creamy. So yeah, I cannot wait to try it. Hopefully I'll remember to do it when I'm in bed. Part of my nighttime routine, which I do struggle to do. And the microneedling mask, that is just crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. I've never heard of anything like that before. And the Moringa masks, I think that's a lovely idea to be able to gift one to a friend. Yeah, I do really like it. But I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions. I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.